This video will explain the timed assessments for this course. Excuse me. So the timed assessments are like the learning modules and the guided practices in terms of the types of exercises that you will encounter. They are different from guided practices or learning modules in that timed assessments are shorter than both of those types of assignments. So timed assessments will generally include only 2 or 3 exercises for you to complete. The other difference is that they're timed. So you will be given a set amount of time in which to complete the timed assessment. How much time you will be given varies from timed assessment to timed assessment. Some of the types of exercises in this class take a very short time. Others take much longer. That's just simply how they are. Even when you know how to do them, they still take longer to do. But you will always know in advance of starting the timed assessment how much time you'll be given. So it'll say right on the instructions how much time you will have to do that timed assessment. Now, your grades, the possible grades for the timed assessments will be mastery, progressing, or novice, just like on the learning modules. And just like in the learning modules, in order to get the grade of mastery on that timed assessment, you will need to get all of the answers to all of the questions in that timed assessment correct. If you receive a grade of mastery on the timed assessment, then you're done with that timed assessment. You don't need to do it again. However, if you receive a grade of progressing or novice on a timed assessment, you're going to want to try again, maybe possibly at a later date. In which case, so in the learning modules, when you do them again, you get the same questions again. That's not the case with the timed assessment. You'll be given a new version of the timed assessment. And so because of that new version, you're going to need to wait until, you will have to wait until I grade your timed assessment before the new one will be released to you. Excuse me. If I've already created a new version of the test, which I do have multiple versions of most of the tests of the timed assignments, then as soon as I have graded your timed assessment, a new version will be released to you. However, in the case where I need to create a new version of the test, you might have to wait a little longer, but I will certainly always get to it as quickly as I can. That's always a priority of mine. After I grade a timed assessment, I go and I look and check and make sure there's another version for people. And if not, I put that on the top of my to-do list to create a new version. So that's how the timed assessments will work for this class.